3 ways to power off the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first one is the power button and the volume button. So find this button, this is the power button, this is the volume down button, and hold this button together for about 2 seconds. Now you see this screen, you can restart, you can power off, you can make an emergency call or get some medical info, whatever it means. The same you can do from your control panel, just swipe down from the top right, find the power icon, and the same menu you can get from there. And the third way is to change the function of this power button. You need to go to your settings, go to advanced features, and tap on side button, tap on long press, and switch to power off menu. Now let's go back. Now you can press this button without the volume button, without the volume down button, just long press, and that's it. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.